Tonight, a giant leap toward getting the vaccines into the arms of people all across this country.
The benefits of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine outweigh its risks.
An FDA panel voting 17-4 today, this afternoon, to recommend emergency use authorization of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, but not for everyone. The recommendation does leave children under the age of 16 out.
We will take what we've heard today into consideration when deciding on not only the EUA issuance here, but also, how to move on in the development of and licensure of this product.
Next up, a decision from career officials with the FDA. The decision there could happen at any time. When it does, that's when the vaccine will start to ship. But no one can get the vaccine in their arm until the CDC also signs off. First, we know CDC will hold a meeting tomorrow before a possible decision on Sunday, this coming weekend. The data, though, proves why the U.S. needs an effective vaccine now and more than at any other point in the pandemic. For the second day in a row, the United States has reported more than 3,000 coronavirus deaths in a single day, 3,067 today alone. That's more people than died in 9/11 or the D-Day invasion. And the CDC warns the country is likely to see that kind of death toll each day for weeks or even months to come until there is widespread rollout of the vaccine. And for those who are worried tonight regarding the safety of the vaccine and the risk of getting infected with COVID-19, FDA Commissioner Stephen Hahn explained the process this way. From his position, he says, quote, "I can assure you that no vaccine will be authorized for use in the United States until FDA career officials feel confident in allowing their own families to receive it." UPS, meanwhile, is one of the shipping companies that will play a critical role in getting the vaccine delivered all across the country.
Our goal is to have 100% accuracy in delivering those packages on time.
And just today, the vaccine did ship kits to, I should say they shipped vaccine kits to all 50 states. Not the vaccine itself. All the equipment that will be needed, though, including things like syringes. So that's all in place once the vaccine can ship out. It's just part of a multi-step process to prepare as much as possible in advance.
The preparation for this has been intense. We have been at this for months, planning.
UPS is going to be monitoring every shipment from a tracking center, they tell us. Every package will have a GPS monitor, so they'll know exactly where that shipment is at any moment. UPS has found itself in the dry ice making business as well, making up to 24,000 pounds of dry ice a day to keep the Pfizer vaccine at the sub-freezing temperatures that are required. And once the vaccine is shipped, the state of Texas, we know, is responsible then for getting it to individual hospitals. We've got 20 here in North Texas that are expected to receive the vaccine. Our Caroline Vandergriff is taking a deep look into the process.
Hospitals have been getting ready for this day for months.
Well, our preparations probably started back in March, and I think we're as ready as we'll ever be.
And frontline workers at Methodist Dallas Medical Center are excited to get the first doses of Pfizer's COVID vaccine, frozen, packed, and now FDA approved.
Anybody that's working directly with the patient has really been anticipating this in a hopes of getting life back to normal and feeling more safe, more comfortable in their workplace.
More than 52,000 doses will soon be shipped to North Texas hospitals. Parkland will get enough to partially vaccinate almost half its staff.
We hope we will be able to get through most of our frontline healthcare workers really within 3 weeks.
They'll need 2 doses of the Pfizer vaccine for it to work properly.
We've planned for that, not to waste a single dose.
The state says long-term care facility residents and staff, EMS providers, and mortuary service workers will also be some of the first to get the vaccine. By January, eligibility could expand, but it's unclear when exactly it will be available for the average citizen.
It's proven safe, it's proven effective against a virus that's just killing people all over the place. I don't understand why people wouldn't get it.
Doctors say it could be at least 6 to 9 months before the majority of the population can get the vaccine. So that means people still need to take precautions to prevent the spread of COVID for the foreseeable future. Caroline Vandergriff, CBS 11 News.